Good morning student. Welcome back to our next video. In today's video I am going to explain the second part of lesson 8, that is learning to appreciate. In the previous video I started the story. This is the second part left of this lesson. So let's see what's happened before starting this part from the beginning. I will be telling you the story in short so that you can follow the story. This story is This story is not a real story. In the story, a boy is very strange. As he see anything new, he would want to have it for himself. So he was jealous of things with his friends' toys, his cousin clothes, his parents' books, and his neighbor pets. Jealous became one with his nature. Every parts of his body shared the feeling of jealousy. Even his hair also given negative feelings. Children, do you know one day his hair became completely green and due to jealousiness all the hair turned to green. The next day another hair turned to blue due to shaken with his jealousy and so ended up blue. Thus day after day the boy hair felt unlimited. Except boy, everyone loved the boy, colorful and every ever changing hair. But one day, due to anger, he pulled out his hair, and that hair fell to the ground with quite smooth flight. But boy was very jealous with when he saw hair on others' head. Within minutes, the boy head was hairless, no hair on head. The boy now understand it was happened due to jealousiness. So boy decided to enjoy whatever he had instead of being jealous. He find out new solution. He started to find out most of his smooth hairless head. From that day he turned his head into a bold open canvas and hairless head. He took painting beautiful picture on his hairless head. Finally, he became the unique artist of the world. Dear children, jealousy is a great voice in a person. Due to jealousiness, he is not knowing how to appreciate what he already have. He is not satisfied with that. When we fail to see the good things in us, we develop feel incompetent. Low esteem means come samman in us. Due to that, the result is that due to jealousiness, the person used to think about something constantly. Obsession means junoon. Envy or jealousness is the result of not knowing how to appreciate what we really have. It comes from an ignorance of our own goodness. When we fail to see the good thing in us, we develop a low esteem of ourselves. This result in obsession with those things we lack. Obsession means junoon and low esteem means kam samman. This result in our ovation with those things we lack, and when we begin to envy other people who possess them. Envy is a negative quality that affects our relationship with other people. A jealous person become unhappy when he see others person better than him. He envies the good fortune of others. He can also make him do things against other people who seem to be better than him. So, envy is a negative quality. It affects our relationship with other people. It make people person unhappy when he see other person better than him. He jealous the goods. Fortune means luck, bhagya. He jealous with the good luck of others. It can also make him do things against other people who seem to be better than himself. Due to so envy is a negative quality. जेलसी क्या है, नेगेटिव क्वालिटी है. ये क्या करती है, पीपल को अनहैप्पी बनाती है. जब उसके पास कोई अच्छी चीज़ दिखती है, उससे अच्छी कोई चीज़ दिखती है, तो उसके प्रति वह मतलब उस वो सोचता है कि मेरा गुड लक नहीं है, मेरा बैड लक है, और उसको अनहैप्पी बनाती है. व्हेन ही सी अदर्स पर्सन बेटर देन हिम, ही एनवीज द गुड फॉर्च्यून ऑफ अदर्स. इट कैन ऑल्सो मेक हिम टू डू थिंग्स अगेंस्ट द अदर पीपल हु सीम टू बी बेटर देन हिम. और वह उनके प्रति मतलब जब उसमें यह हो जाता है कि मेरे से अच्छी उसके पास चीज़ है, तो वह कुछ अच्छा अपने लिए अच्छा सोचने की बजाय वो क्या करने लगता है, मेरे पास भी ये चीज़ अच्छी आ जाए, तो वो उससे जलसी करने लगता है और उसको पाने की कोशिश करने लगता है. वन वे टू वैनिश इमोशन ऑफ एनवी एंड जेलसी इज टू अप्रिशिएट आवर सेल्फ फॉर वॉट वी आर एंड फॉर वॉट वी हैव. It improves our self-esteem and gives us self-confidence. A person who is able to see the goods in himself is also able to see the goods in other. When we respect ourselves, we are in position to appreciate and respect others too. Vanish means desh nikala. One way to overcome from jealousy is to appreciate ourselves for what we are and for what we have. जेलसी से बाहर निकलने के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए, अपने आप को अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू अप्रिशिएट आवर सेल्फ फॉर व्हाट वी आर. हम क्यों हैं और किसके लिए हैं. इट इम्प्रूव्स आवर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, और वो हमारा सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इम्प्रूव करता है. अ पर्सन हु इज़ एबल टू सी गुड्स इन हिमसेल्फ इज ऑल्सो सी गुड्स इन अदर्स. जब हम अपने अच्छाइयों को देखेंगे कि हम अच्छे हैं, तभी हम दूसरों की भी अच्छाई देख पाएंगे और दूसरों का भी अच्छा सोच पाएंगे. व्हेन वी रेस्पेक्ट आवर सेल्फ, देन ओनली वी अप्रिशिएट एंड रेस्पेक्ट अदर पीपल. जब हम अपना ही खुद का सम्मान करेंगे, तभी तो हम दूसरे का और अप्रिशिएट करेंगे और दूसरे का रेस्पेक्ट करेंगे. Appreciation is a social skill which teaches us to see goods in ourselves and in other people. It gives us positive mindset and help us see the good character traits in ourselves as well as in others, such as beauty, intelligence, talents, humor, and determination. Appreciation is a social skill. It teaches goods in ourselves and in other people also. And appreciation is a positive mindset, and it develops the good character in ourselves as well as in others, such as we used to appreciate about others beauty, intelligence, their talents, humor, and determination. Appreciation enables both the parties involved, both the giver and the receiver, feel good and warm. Humor means the quality of being amusing और कॉमिक, हास्य बनाना, है ना. सो अप्रिशिएशन एनकरेज पीपल टू वर्क मोर एंड अचीव appreciation is a social skill which tells us to see the goods in ourselves and in others people. It gives us positive minds and helps to see the goods character in ourselves as well as in other, like beauty, intelligence, talents, humor and determination. Humors मतलब उसका हास्य, the quality of being amusing or comic, especially as expressed in illiterate or speech literature or speech. Appreciation enable both the parties involved, both the giver and the receiver, feel good and warm. Both the parties, the receiver also and the giver also, they feel good and warm. For example, children, when you are writing good, when teacher appreciate you, your writing is good, very good. When she is saying very good, excellent work you did, So what is that? That is the appreciation. When anybody appreciate you, what you are doing, you are doing that work with wholeheartedly. So appreciation encourage people to work more and achieve more. Due to appreciation, the people used to work more and achieve more. He want to do more and more than that. It is called encouragement. Anybody, when anybody is encouraged by anything, he used to do something much better than that. Appreciation is the open acknowledgement of any good work done. Acknowledgement स्वीकार करना, accept it. Appreciation is an open acknowledgement of any good work that is to be done by the people. It inspires us to do even a greater things. Due to appreciation, a person used to do a great things. When we appreciate others people, they feel good, and at the same time we get a positive feelings of being intelligent, well informed and cultured. And when we appreciate anybody, at the same time we feel a positive feeling that we are intelligent, we are well formed and we are cultured. That's why we are appreciating others people, and it makes us feel that we are a part of the society around us. Many of us do not care encourage others. It is that we do not see goods in others or the good things they do. Many of us do not care to encourage other people. Why we are not encouraging others people? We are not seeing good things in them. That's why we are not encouraging them. हम उनको encouragement क्यों नहीं करते हैं? कुछ लोग कितना भी अच्छा काम कर लो तो encourage नहीं करते हैं. क्यों नहीं करते हैं? क्योंकि वो नहीं देखते हैं कि उनमें कितनी अच्छाई है. Quite often the reason why we do not appreciate others in because we are selfish and proud. और वह क्यों नहीं करते हैं उनको अप्रिशिएट? क्योंकि वह सेल्फिश होते हैं और प्राउड. मतलब प्राउड, उनमें घमंड आ जाता है. सेल्फिशनेस, सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचते हैं. ड्यू टू दैट रीजन दे वेयर नॉट अप्रिशिएटिंग अदर्स पीपल. वी डू नॉट वांट अदर पीपल टू बी डू बेटर देन अस. और वो अप्रिशिएट इसलिए नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि अगर हम अप्रिशिएट करेंगे तो वो हमसे अच्छा करने लग जाएगा, और वो नहीं चाहते कि वह मुझसे अच्छा कर ले. वी फील दैट वी आर द बेस्ट एंड सो आर अफ्रेड ऑफ एनी कॉम्पिटिशन. इसीलिए दैट्स वाई दे आर फीलिंग दैट आई एम द बेस्ट एंड so are afraid of any competition, and they don't want to do any competition. Appreciation is possible only when we are broad minded, and appreciation is possible only we are broad minded. And ब्रॉड माइंडेड मतलब बहुत अच्छे विचार वाले. सेल्फलेस एंड हम्बल. एंड वी आर सेल्फलेस एंड हम्बलेस. हम्बल मीन्स विनीत, जनरस मीन्स सामान्य. सो वी नीड अ डेवलप इन आवर सेल्फ एन ओपन माइंडेड एंड जनरस हार्ट. जनरस मतलब सामान्य, कॉमन हार्ट है ना. इन ऑर्डर टू एस्टिमेट पर्सन एंड थिंग्स अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ट्रू वर्थ. When we appreciate others, it brings about a general improvement in ourselves and in other people around us. And when we appreciate, अगर हम दूसरों को appreciate करते हैं तो क्या होता है? ये हमारा भी डेवलपमेंट होता है, हमारा भी इम्प्रूवमेंट होता है in other people around us. So children, hope you all understood this lesson very well. Appreciation is a vital social skill. It must be used generously. So appreciation must be used generously. So children, so student, I hope this much portion is clear to you. So let's see the difficult words which we come across in today's portion. Fortune. 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 Vanish. Banish. Vanish. Emotion. Emotions. Emotions. Appreciation. 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 Social skill, SOCIAL, social, SKILL, social skills. Traits, TRAITS, traits. Talents, TALENTS, talents. Humor, HUMOUR, humor. Determination, DETERMINATION, determination. Involved, INVOLVED, involved. Encourages, ENCOURAGES, encourages. Acknowledgement, ACKNOWLEDGEMENT, acknowledgement. Selfish, SELFISS, selfish. Proud, PROUD, proud. Vital, VITAL, vital. Estimate, ESTIMATE, estimate. That's all, student.